Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Biconomy token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. Biconomy BICO is a modular blockchain infrastructure protocol designed to simplify Web3 by abstracting away technical complexities like gas fees and multi-chain operations, making decentralized applications as easy to use as traditional web apps. Infrastructure for simplicity. It provides the essential backend tools that allow DApps to offer gasless transactions, single click multi chain actions, and smart account features. Core product suite. Its functionality is delivered through three main products: Nexus Smart Accounts, the Super Transactions API, and the Modular Execution Environment MEE. Governance and utility token. The BICO token is used for on-chain governance, staking to secure the network, and paying for protocol services. Biconomy project institution rating is 3.9 and this project audited by Ceritic. Biconomy token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Biconomy token. Biconomy token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.